Today I'll teach you how to use Google Keyword Planner tool. What is a keyword? Keyword is basically a word that you use as search query. The word you use when you search something is called a keyword. I am going to find keywords or tags for my YouTube video. How to speed up computer 7 easy tips. For YouTube videos we need maximum 20 keywords, tags. So let's start researching for the keywords. How to find best keywords for your YouTube videos. Sign up for Google Ads with your Gmail account. Then sign in for Google Ads account. Click on Tools, then click on Planning. Then click on Keyword Planner. Then click on Find New Keywords. Type any keyword to find relevant keywords. Like I'm typing the title of my YouTube video. How to speed up computer. A list of all relevant keywords will appear on your screen. Find good keywords for your video or your website. Click on Average Monthly Searches to filter the result from highest to lowest. Look at this first result. How to speed up Windows 10. It's a good keyword. It means some people are searching that how they can speed up the computer speed in Windows 10. Two similar searches, speed up Windows 10 and how to speed up Windows 7. Some people use Windows 7 and they want to know how they can speed up the computer in Windows 7. Let's scroll down for more results. Make your computer faster. Windows 10. Another good keyword for my video, with an average monthly search. Now you can do two things to save your keywords. You can simply download the file in MS Excel format. Just click on Download Keyword Ideas at top right corner. Open the file. Select the good keywords and highlight them. You can delete other keywords that you don't want, or create another sheet and move your keywords to another Excel sheet. It is good when you have more files. If you don't want to download the files, you are working on a small project, you can simply create a notepad file. Open Notepad and copy your selected keywords in Notepad file. Now let's find out more keywords using different keyword. This time I'm searching for faster boot. computer really slow on startup. The computers get slow and might be they're looking for solutions too, so it could be another great keyword. More searches, speed up Windows 7 startup and how to speed up PC boot time. Maybe the computers shut down slowly and they are looking for the solution, and my video is the solution. Let's copy these keywords in my notepad file. Find keywords with another way. Make computer faster. Let's see what people are searching. How to boost computer speed. Yes, it could be a good keyword. Here is a great keyword. How to make your computer faster for gaming. I also play games and I know heavy games slow down your computer. How to speed up my slow PC. Maybe someone is not happy with his slow PC.